Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about the reduction formula for integration secant power nx dx. So for both that is integration of secant nx dx and integration of cosecant power nx dx are almost all the steps are same. Okay. So if you practice one you can derive another easily. Okay. So first let us derive reduction formula for integration secant power nx dx. Okay, so let in equals to integration secant power nx dx. Okay, this second power nx can be written as integration secant power n minus 2x into secant square x dx. Okay, then it can be written as integrating partially with respect to next integrating by UV rule or by parts we get, so that is integrating by parts. So considering this as a first function and this one as a second function, we get first function as it is, that is secant power n minus 2x as it is. Integration of secant square is tan x minus integration differentiation of first function, that is differentiation of secant power n minus 2x, that is integration of differentiation of, so differentiation of this secant power n minus 2x is n minus 2 secant power n minus 2 minus 1 is equals to, we get n minus 3 into differentiation of this secant differentiation is secant x into tan x. Okay, this completes the differentiation of secant power n minus 2x. Next, into integration of the second function, that is integration of secant square x is tan x into dx. Now this can be written as secant power n minus 2x tan x minus this n minus 2 can be taken outside, integration simplifying all the powers, that is adding powers of secant, we get secant power n minus 2 x minus 1 plus 1 is minus 3 plus 1 is equals to minus 2. Next tan into tan is equals to, we get tan square x dx. Next secant n minus 2x tan x as it is minus n minus 2 as it is, integration secant n minus 2x as it is. So in the place of tan we substitute secant square x minus 1, since tan square value is secant square x minus 1 into dx. Okay, so next simplifying this one we get secant n minus 2 power n minus 2x tan x n minus 2 as it is, integration simplifying this one, that is multiplying the secant power n minus 2 with this bracket, we get secant n minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 get cancels, we get secant power nx dx as the first integral. Okay, or we can first we multiply this one. So next minus secant power n minus 2 x into dx. Next, in the next step we consider the integral for this first term and the second term separately. Then we get secant power n minus 2x tan x. So this n minus 2 is common to the both term, therefore n minus 2 integration secant power nx dx, this is the first integral, minus into minus plus n minus 2 integration secant power n minus 2x dx. Okay, which is equals to secant power n minus 2x tan x. So n minus 2, so from the given or this by 1 we can Observe that in is equals to integration of second power nx dx. If I replace this n by n minus 2, then we get in minus 2 is equals to integration second n minus 2x dx. So therefore wherever we have second power n minus 2x dx, we can replace it by in minus 2. So therefore here integration second nx dx can be replaced by in. Okay, so this is by the given, plus again n minus 2, this integration second n minus 2 is replaced by in minus 2. Okay, next we take this n minus 2 into in to the LHS side, then we get here we have in. Okay, if we take this to the left side, we get plus n minus 2 into in. Okay, so here n minus 2x tan x plus n minus 2 in minus 2. Now here we can take in as a common. On taking common, we get n minus 2 plus 1. So simplifying that, we get, so minus 2 plus 1 is equals to n minus 1 into in equals to secant n minus 2x into tan x plus n minus 2 into in minus 2, or we need this in only. So this in can be written as 1 divided by n minus 1 secant n minus 2 tan x into n minus 2 divided by n minus 1 in minus 2. So this is the required reduction formula for integration of second power nx dx. So similarly we can derive the reduction formula for this integration cosec power nx dx. So we get reduction formula for integration cosec power nx dx is in is equals to minus 1 divided by n minus 1 cosec n minus 2x into cot x plus n minus 2 divided by n minus 1 in minus 2. Almost all same because of cosec here we get, because of cosec differentiation is minus cot, here we get minus cot x. Okay, so almost all terms are similar. So you can try this by yourself. Next problem, we derive the reduction formula for integration cos power nx into sin power mx dx. Okay, so for this, let p and q be any two integers. Then we consider differentiation of cos power px into sin power qx. Okay, so differentiating this by applying UV rule, we get first function as it is, that is cos power px as it is. Differentiation of this one is q into sin power q minus 1 x into sin differentiation is cos x plus next sin qx as it is. Differentiation of cos px is p into cos power p minus 1 x into cos differentiation is minus sin x. Okay, so simplifying this one, we get q into cos px, adding cos powers, we get cos power p plus 1 into sin power q minus 1 plus p. Now adding sin powers, so here plus into minus, we will get minus sin p into cos power p minus 1 x as it is sin powers q plus 1. Okay, now we consider this cos power p plus 1 x, that is again consider cos power p plus 1. So this can be written as cos power p minus 1 into cos square. Okay, now powers can be divided as p minus 1 into 2. So simplifying this one, we get cos power p minus 1 into cos square can be written as 1 minus sin square x. So multiplying this, we get cos power p minus 1 x into plus into minus minus cos power p minus 1 x into sin square x. So here in the place of this cos power p plus 1 x we substitute this value, then we get d by dx cos power px into sin power q equals to q into, so in the place of cos power p plus 1 we substitute these values. So substituting this we get cos this one cos power p minus 1 x minus cos power p minus 1 x into sin square into, here we have sin q minus 1 x minus p cos power p minus 1 x into sin power q plus 1 x as it is. Okay. Now further simplifying this one we get q into, so multiplying these we get q into sin power q minus 1 x into cos power p minus 1 minus q into cos power p minus 1 sin square sin power 2 sin power q minus 1. Simplifying this one we get sin power q plus 1 minus p cos power p minus 1 into sin power q plus 1 as it is. Okay. Now here in these two terms we can take minus cos power p minus 1 x and sin power q plus 1 as a common. Okay. So on taking, so we keep this first term as it is, sin power q minus 1 cos power p minus 1. So on taking minus term, minus cos power p minus 1 into sin power q plus 1 x, then we get in bracket p plus q. Okay. Now substituting all these values into this equation we get d by dx cos power p means it is cos power n plus 1 into sin power m minus 1 equals to m minus 1 into sin power q minus 1 means it is m minus 2 into cos power p minus 1 means it is n minus m plus n, since here p plus q, so m plus n into cos power n into sin power m. Okay. So now integrating on both sides, so integration and differentiation get cancels, we get cos power n plus 1x into sin power m minus 1x equals to m minus 1 integration of sin power m minus 2x into cos power nx minus integration of m plus n integration of cos nx sin power mx. Okay, dx. We need integration of this one, therefore we separate this one, so that is taking to the left side it becomes plus, or m plus n integration cos power nx sin power m is equals to, so we keep this here m minus 1 integration sin power m minus 2x cos power n. So taking this to the left side we get minus cos power n plus 1x and sin power m minus 1. Okay. So we need only this one, therefore we send this m plus 1 to the right side, it becomes integration cos power nx sin power m x dx is equals to, here it can be written as m minus 1 divided by m plus n integration sin power m minus 2 x cos power n x dx minus 1 divided by m plus n cos power n plus 1x into sin power m minus 1x. So this is the required reduction formula for integration cos power n into sin power m. Okay.